Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I welcome you all to Education Circuit. And today we are going to cover synonyms and antonyms which have already been asked in FCAT previous year's question papers. FCAT is such an examination in which questions of previous year's question papers are repeatedly asked. Okay, you will see same questions in your upcoming examination which have already been asked in previous year's question papers of same examination. I am talking about FCAT. Okay, and topics like synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases, one word substitution and spelling correction, etc. These are such topics which are very difficult to cover because their syllabus is very large, right? If you cover a lot of words in synonyms and antonyms, but despite of it, there is no guarantee that word in your examination will be from you have studied. And questions in FCAT examination are repeated as they were asked in previous year's question papers. So that is why previous year's question papers of FCAT are very important. You should go through them and solve them, right? So let's start and let's see synonyms first. Question number 1 is intransigent. Intransigent means something which cannot be changed, which is very difficult to change. Okay, now see the options. Authoritative means something which has authority, means अधिकार, जिसका किसी पर अधिकार हो. We say that किसकी authority है. Okay, so authority means अधिकार होना. And second option is impersonal. Impersonal means which is not personal, like we say this is our personal car, this is our personal jacket. So impersonal means which is not personal, right? And strenuous means which is strong, right? And unbending means something which cannot be changed, which cannot be curved. For example, iron rod, it cannot be changed. So in this question he is asking synonym. So the synonym of intransigent is unbending, something which cannot be changed, which is difficult to change. Okay, second one is intimidate. Intimidate means to create fear in someone, means bully behavior. Now see options. Options are mislead. Mislead means to lead something in an improper way, and misplace means to place something in an improper way, and demoralize means to get down the morale of somebody. Okay, to get down the confidence of somebody. And frighten means to create fear in someone. Okay, so the correct answer would be frighten. The meaning of intimidate means to create fear in someone, and the meaning of frighten is also to create fear in someone, right? So this would be our answer, option number 3. And in question number 1, what would be our answer? Answer would be option number D, unbending. Okay, let's move on. And if you want solutions of FCAT previous year's question papers, and if you want more such videos, so please click on subscribe button and active all notifications so you can get all the videos time to time, and you can prepare well for your FCAT examination and for SSB interview also, because we keep on providing content related to SSB interview. Next word is sporadic. Sporadic means something which happens very rarely after a very long time, like festivals. Festivals come after a period after 1 year. Okay, so the meaning of epidemic is Mahamari, disease, and the meaning of whirling is something which is in a circular fashion. Rotative means rotation, and stagnant means something which is stable, not movable, right? And occasional means something which happens very rarely, on some occasions only. So the answer would be occasional. The meaning of sporadic is also something which happens very rarely, and occasional means something which happens very rarely. So the synonym of sporadic is occasional, and this word has been asked many times in multiple examinations, so it is very important. And if you want more such synonyms and antonyms related videos, so please like this video and share it with your friends also. Next word is genesis. Genesis means origin, starting point. Okay, and our options are style. Style means the way of doing something, the way of doing action. And movement means like hand movements, movement from one place to another place. Okay, and relevant means something which is appropriate, which is needed, which is sensible. Okay, and beginning means something which is starting point. Okay, so the answer would be beginning. The meaning of genesis is starting point, origin, etc., right? So these were some synonyms which were asked in previous years question papers of FCAT examination. Now let's see antonyms which have been asked in previous year question papers of FCAT examination. Okay, and these are very prone to be asked in your upcoming examination of FCAT. First word is malevolent. Malevolent means something which is evil type. Okay, दुष्ट type का जो व्यक्ति होता है वो. Now options are, option number 1 is kindly. Kindly means a very kind person, kind behavior. And vacuous means something which is vacant, empty space, right? Primitive means ancient, which is very old. Okay, and ambivalent is which is uncertain, unsure. So malevolent means very dusht kind of person, very evil kind of person, and kindly means very kind of person. So he is asking antonym means opposite word. So what would be the opposite word of malevolent? It would be kindly. So our answer would be option number 1. These are the antonyms which have already been asked in FCAT previous year question papers. So these are very important and you must prepare them, because you may face these questions as it is in your examination with same options. Okay, and next word is purgatory. Purgatory means to hurt someone, किसी को यातना देना, परेशान करना. Okay, and options are reward. Reward means किसी को reward देना, and celestial means heavenly, स्वर्ग में जाना, स्वर्गवासी हो जाना. And flawless means निर्दोष होना. Okay, and proximity means something which is close to actual figure. Okay, we say that approximately there were 350 candidates reported on day 1 in SSB, but we don't know the exact number, but it is very close to the exact number. So it is proximity. Proximity means very close to the actual data, right? So purgatory means to hurt someone, and the opposite of it would be reward, to give reward someone, to give happiness to someone. Okay, so the answer would be reward. Next word is clemency. Clemency means to show kindness, be humble, polite, and to give forgiveness. Okay, now options are corporal. Corporal means physically, bodily, right? And intolerance means something which cannot be tolerated. And sensibility means something which is sensible, maturity, right? And compromise means to compromise with someone. Okay, so the clemency means to show kindness, and intolerance means which cannot be tolerated. So what would be the opposite word of clemency? It would be intolerance. So our answer would be intolerance. Next word is casual. This is very important word and this has been asked many times in examinations. Okay, casual means to talk politely, flatter, okay, persuade someone, power of influence by persuading someone. Okay, now options are nestle. Nestle means to give shelter, and second means to separate something from something. Okay, and moisten means wet, means gila hona, humidity. Okay, and bully means behaving forcefully in a rude way. Okay, akad dhakad show karna. So casual means be polite, persuade and flatter, talk to somebody politely, and bully means forcefully behavior. Okay, so what would be the opposite of casual? It will be bully. So our answer would be bully, right? These are very important synonyms and antonyms which have already been asked in your FCAT previous year question papers, and there is very high chances of asking these questions again in your FCAT examination, because same questions are often asked in FCAT examination of FCAT previous year's question papers. Okay, so if you really want more such videos, more such topics related to synonyms and antonyms, one word substitution, idioms and phrases, and spelling correction and solution of these papers like reasoning, mathematics and general knowledge, so please click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon, so you can get all the videos. And if you really want more videos, so please write down in the comment box below and like this video and share with your friends also. Okay, I hope this video would have been very informative for you, and if you really like it, so please like and share it with your friends. Okay, and all the very best for your written examinations and SSB. And that's all for today. Bye for now.